Hello YouTube, Camp Base is out working on the GTX today. Today we're going to take a look at the trunk. A lot of these vehicles have pretty bad trunks. I used some tape around here to keep some water out of it. It's been raining in this area a little bit. Let's take a look, see what we got. Well, it's still got a lot of color in there. Up in this area here, wheel housings look good. Before I got it, they sprayed some of this gray primer on it. Might have been some rust there, but it doesn't seem like it. It's kind of... Let me tap on it. Doesn't seem bad. Then over in this area is probably the worst of it. It's definitely thinner, but it's all there. Nothing's poking through. Nothing's coming through on it. So on this side, the right side rear, you can see some bending where it got hit. This whole panel got replaced. This is dented and a little bent, not much. I probably won't do much to repair it. There's a hole right here, but apparently this side of the car got hit and this panel was replaced, and they didn't actually do the trunk. So it's still looking solid. You can tell it's all still solid, and yeah, that's from an impact. So my next step is to mechanically strip this and then maybe chemically strip it. But all in all, it's real good. Does not need replacement. And I know a lot of these cars, they've had trunks replaced, but this isn't one of them. It's a California car, and it's going to be pretty good. Saves on the expense doing the replacement on this. All right, you see what I see. Camp Base out. YouTube, have a great day. Don't forget to follow us and like us. If you follow us, we'll give you some updates as we go along. Repairing this car, it's going to take quite a while due to you know, everything's expensive on it. That brings up another point. If you're thinking about restoring an old car, I'd think twice about it. You're probably not going to make your money out of it. Most of them are probably going to cost you a little more than it would have cost if you bought it already done. So something to really think about. Camp Base out. Have a great day.